Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that has revolutionized home cooking, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0, paired with a precision vacuum sealer. We found this product online and added the link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker is a state-of-the-art cooking device that utilizes the sous vide technique, which translates to under vacuum in French. This method involves cooking food in a precisely controlled water bath, ensuring that your meals are cooked evenly from edge to edge. Whether you're cooking steak, chicken, or vegetables, the risk of overcooking is virtually eliminated, making it perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned professionals. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this cooker. The Anova 3.0 boasts an impressive 1,100 watts of power, ensuring your water reaches and maintains the desired temperature quickly. One of the most significant upgrades in this version is the dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to monitor your cooking remotely through the Anova app on your mobile device. This feature is a game-changer, letting you browse recipes, set cooking times, and check on your meals from anywhere in your home. The two-line touchscreen display makes it easy to view important information like cooking time and temperature at a glance. Plus, this model comes with a precision vacuum sealer, which is designed specifically for sous vide cooking. It features a powerful vacuum, a built-in bag storage and cutter, and even allows for one-handed operation. Whether you're sealing marinated meats or dry goods for storage, this sealer makes the process efficient and convenient. Who is this product suitable for? Whether you're a busy parent looking to prepare quick weeknight dinners, a food enthusiast eager to experiment with new recipes, or someone who simply wants to elevate their cooking game, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker is a fantastic investment. It's particularly great for those who appreciate meal prepping, as you can prepare your meals in advance and have them ready to go whenever you need them. Practical use cases for the Anova Sous Vide Cooker are endless. Imagine perfectly cooked steak that's tender and juicy, or vegetables that retain their vibrant colors and nutrients. You can even cook eggs to your desired doneness, whether you prefer them soft-boiled or hard-boiled. The vacuum sealer enhances this experience by allowing you to store food safely and effectively, ensuring freshness and flavor. In conclusion, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0, along with its precision vacuum sealer, is a remarkable tool that brings professional-grade cooking into your kitchen. It combines simplicity with advanced technology, making it accessible for all cooking levels. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.